What if I say you're going to get ChatGPT-4 for free, without paying a single dime? I just found a loophole to access ChatGPT-4. There are many users who want to tap into the power of ChatGPT-4, but are held back by membership. The free version of ChatGPT provides data up to 2023 only. It just feels like you are just being forced to upgrade to get features you really need. Talking about this AI literally helps you in growing your YouTube channel, summarize YouTube videos, blogs, generate images. It has over than 12 plus AI models. It not only provides features of ChatGPT-4, but many more than that. It finds the result by analyzing more than 5 websites at a time. Let's first see some of the features of these AI. It's better than ChatGPT because ChatGPT provides similar data every time and use complicated or difficult words. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video informative and helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more.